Now, write a letter telling him about Bangladesh and her people. Shoaib Minar Road, Dhaka, 20 January 2025. Dear Edmond, I have received your letter. In your letter, you have wanted to know about our country. Bangladesh is a small, low-lying country in the South Asia on the Bay of Bengal. Bangladesh became independent in 1971 at the cost of supreme sacrifice of many violent sons. The ancient city Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. People of the different religions live there. There are mostly Muslim, Hindus, Christians, Buddhists. People of the different tribes also live here. Bangladesh has an age-old tradition and custom. People observe different festivals on different occasions. The most common custom and traditions the peoples observe are Poila Boishak, Novanno, Poila Fagun, Ik. Since Bangladesh is the darling child of the nature, she has got some attractive tourist spots which are full of nature's scenic beauty. So the country has many tourist spots. There are Cox's Bazar, Sia Beach, Kuakata and Sundarbans, and the Shatkombos Mosque and the Buddhist Bihars X. No more today. I shall be very happy if you lead. I shall be very happy if you let me know about your country. Yours Ibars, Monira from to Monira, Shoet Minar Road, Dhaka 1000 to Emondley Park, Billy State, Melbourne, Australia. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page.